Today's video is going to be an update to my living room. I wanted to just kind of show you guys the progress. I'm very, very excited about this. It's, you know, if you've been watching me, you've been watching my decorating, you're obviously going to see a lot of the same elements that you've seen from me before, but there are things that I've never really decorated with. And, you know, I'm not a professional decorator by any means. So mixing certain colors and textures and things like that, they're very difficult for me. That's why you really kind of see me as like a very minimalist person when it comes to color, because I just don't know how to mix certain things. And I'm just really excited to try different things out. So I'm going to show you guys the update. So obviously this is not at all a finished concept. There's boxes still here and there's nothing on this massive mantle, but I have chosen this carpet, which is the same carpet from my kitchen. If you didn't see, or my dining or my kitchen nook, if you haven't seen this video, I'll link it down below. And this is the same exact furniture. This is the same furniture that's in the media room. It's the same furniture that you just, from the chairs you just saw from behind me. The one thing that I'm very excited about, it may not seem very significant, but to me it's a big deal. It's that I got this carpet with bright white. I know that the sun's kind of coming in, so it's a little bit hard to see this morning, but you can see it really right here that there's two different shades of white going on, and that's a big deal for me because I'm one of those people where mixing shades of color, it's almost like my brain can't understand it, can't comprehend it, and I have to match the shade exactly. And if you watch my Florida house setup, I got a bright white rug, you know, to match the same furniture. And I'm getting more comfortable with mixing different shades, so that's something that for me, from a decorating standpoint, is kind of a big change. So here's the new furniture. All of this is brand new. Again, matches the media room. I also did the media room. I'll link it down below. But one thing I wanted to really change in here was using black elements. So you're seeing that in this ironwork on the coffee tables. The coffee tables are kind of available in like Overstock or Wayfair. However, one or the other would be sold out. So like the coffee table wouldn't be available. So I got my place from some place called like New York Lighting. I'm not really sure. I'll try to find it and link it down below just in case you're interested. But it took me a while to really land on what color coffee table I wanted, because I knew I had already ordered this piece. So here is my TV console. So we've got the white with a black top. This also took me like a week, you guys, because they have this in two options. They have it in all white with a white top but black knobs, or they have this with a black top. The difference in tops took me a week to decide. And that's, again, simply because I'm just not used to decorating with black as a color in my everyday decor. So I knew, so once I pulled the trigger and I knew I was gonna get this piece, I once again was like, oh, I gotta get a white table, white end tables, because I can tend to be very matchy. And so I'm very proud of myself, I guess, for kind of like taking a step up in my personal interiors design. I don't even know. So anyways, you can see I have some of these branches here. They're from Hobby Lobby. They just need a vase, but all the little decor pieces come kind of after some of the bigger elements come. So that's some like decorating tips I would give, is that, but you know what, there's no rules. So if, let's say, a vase really calls to you, you can decorate around a vase. I mean, really doesn't matter. I guess for me, it's easier to do the bigger elements first and then come in with some of the smaller things like a vase to hold these stems. The other thing that I finally also, now that I have everything kind of set up, I was waiting for the couch to come in. The chairs came in right away. The couch took a while, but that was deciding my lamps. So my lamps are coming in, but you know, it's one of those things where I could send the lamp back and do something different. I have different lamp ideas in mind, but I'm trying the first ones out first. They're from Amazon, made sure that they have free return so that it's just easy for me to send it back. I'll link what I can down below for you guys. So once the lamps come in and we get some decor here, it's gonna start to look a little bit more finished. I do kind of have the pillows how I want it. However, I think eventually these matching white pillows I'm gonna buy different covers for and just kind of switch them in and out for the seasons. But I actually really envisioned a mix of brown, this dark green, and black. So I'm hoping to get something with like a black plaid maybe, and throw in some type of pattern instead of having everything be solid. These pillows are fabulous though. I'm obsessed with them. I got them from, I think, TJ Maxx or Home Goods. And then this green pillow has been with me for a really long time. It's been in so many different places, I think, but mainly in my bedroom, but now it's here. I got my typical essential oil diffuser, and then another lamp will go here. Now this, all of this right here is just kind of like test work. It's not really permanently set up this way. I do think the topiary trees will remain, and I'm gonna get them put in like a black ceramic pot. I think that will look really nice. And then I have to pick out my artwork. I think I have it picked out. I just have to get it printed and get it framed. And then I did recently buy this little table, and I saw someone on TikTok have it, and it's from Walmart. Like, it's like a wicker little table, and I love this thing so much. I'll also try to link it down below. I know, don't look at all the boxes that are back there. My life's a mess right now. So once I have the photo up, and maybe I'll get the matching candle holders and like balance it out and put some over here, I think this will be really the finished concept. So only a couple more things to do here. And then of course, getting the lamps. Look how cute Loki looks. Like look at him with the side eye. Like you know we're talking about you. Okay, meanwhile, so yeah, so then just picking out the vase color. I don't know if I want it to be white. I don't know if I want it to be black. I think that's really gonna come once I figure out the pillow situation. And then over on this wall, I got the matching console table. Now I'll tell you guys that originally I got this table thinking it was gonna sit behind the couch. Now it could still technically sit behind the couch for all I know. I can definitely shift some of this furniture up a little bit, and that will fit really nicely. Cause really I didn't envision doing anything to this wall, if I'm being honest. You know, it's a rental. I know it's not long-term here, so I didn't want to overthink this wall, to be honest. So there's a chance that this piece is just going to slip behind the couch. But let me know what you guys think. Like, do you think it should go back there? Do you think it should go here? I just feel like it's kind of competing with this. So let me know your thoughts. Now these are some extra pieces. These little flowers that I've had, my mirror, this piece. I actually bought this piece a while ago. It's like a European castle, but it's too small. It's just too small to put up there unless like I framed it in a thick mat and then a thicker, you know, but I really want the image to be kind of big because I don't know if you guys can tell, but that's a very big mantle. Here is the space I'm working with, just so you guys can kind of see it from the back, in terms of putting the console table here. So I could shift this up a little bit, because what I don't want to do is I like this amount of space for us to walk in and out. This is a heavy traffic area. You know, Loki's moving to the back door. We're moving to the bar stools, which you guys are getting a sneak peek of. Here's a little sneak peek of this view. So yeah, let me know what you guys think, but that essentially is the updated tour. Let me know also what you guys think of the pillow situation. Knowing that my colors are going to be white, creams, browns, greens, and black, let me know your thoughts. And if you follow me on Instagram, DM me some pictures too if you feel like you have a certain type of pillow pattern that you've seen that would just look really lovely in here. Also, any suggestions, I'm open to them. But that's it. Here's a little close-up look of Loki because I know you guys love seeing him. Oh, I will say this. I've been telling you guys how much I love this rug. I've been recommending it. It's from Amazon, but you should know it sheds. Like, it sheds a lot. Like, see that little... Yeah, because I kind of have them everywhere. It's there, it's there, it's there. It's also in my entryway. I'm going to give you guys a little sneak peek of this. Yeah, we're going to get some vases here, some greenery. And then this is the table. This is the base of a table that's going to go here. The table round part is right there. And we're going to put some other vases here. So this little section is going to be really, really cute. But anyways, I hope you guys like this video. I know it's not a completely finished concept, but I just wanted to show you guys the progress that I've made. I mean, considering we haven't even been here a full month yet, this and me moving in here with zero furniture, like this really honestly has surprised even myself. So anyways, thank you for spending some time with me today, and I'll see you next time.